The industrial scene is witnessing an ever-increasing pressure to improve its agility and versatility to accommodate the highly modularized, customized, and dynamic demands of production. One of the key concepts within Industry 4.0 is the smart factory, which represents a manufacturing/production system with interconnected processes and operations via cyberphysical systems, the Internet of Things, and state-of-the-art digital technologies. This paper outlines the design of a smart cyber-physical system that complies with the innovative Smart Factory framework for Industry 4.0 and implements the core industrial, computing, information, and communication technologies of the Smart Factory. It demonstrates and verifies the feasibility of the proposed method with experiments.
This article is titled Design of a Smart Factory based on Cyber-Physical Systems and Internet of Things towards Industry 4.0 and was authored by Mutaz Ryalat, Hisham ElMoaqet, and Marwa AlFaouri.
We are www.article.tv. Check out the video description for links to this article.